Hey everyone, if you love earning extra American Express rewards on your everyday online purchases, you're going to love this video. Most people use shopping portals to get cash back, but what if you could earn American Express membership reward points instead? With Rakuten, you can turn your online shopping into a serious point earning strategy. If a store offers 20% cash back, that means you're going to get 20 Amex points per dollar instead of cash. And sometimes it goes as high as 80 points per dollar, which is completely wild.
It's incredible.
I'm Scott, and I've helped people maximize airline miles, hotel points, and credit card rewards. If you enjoy this type of content, hit the like and subscribe button. Your support means a lot to me. I broke this video into 4 main sections, so if you want to jump around or come back to a certain important section, I created chapters to make it easier to navigate. So let's just jump right into it. So what exactly is Rakuten? And no, it's not just the part of the Golden State Warriors uniform, but all the Warrior fans watching this probably just thought, oh yeah, that's why I've heard of Rakuten. All jokes aside, Rakuten is a shopping portal that partners with thousands of online retailers. When you shop through Rakuten, you can earn cash back or American Express points on your purchases. Think of it as a middleman that rewards you for shopping at your favorite stores like Nike, Adidas, Dyson, Birkenstock, and so many more. The best part, no extra costs. You're paying the same price, but with just a few extra clicks, you get cash back on your American points for free. So how does Rakuten work? Alright, I know you're excited. When I found out about Rakuten, I jumped straight to the website and signed up, but I missed out on free Amex points, so hold on just 1 second, I'll explain how easy it is. First, you're going to want to sign up for your free Rakuten account with a link in the description. This gives you 30 cashback or 3,000 Amex reward points, which I personally prefer Amex points because all the transfer partners, you can value them a much higher than 0.1 cent. Then you're going to want to browse your offers, search for your favorite retailers, and check your cashback point rates. Instead of going directly through a store's website, start your shopping trip at Rakuten and click through the retailer's page. Shop as usual, Rakuten tracks your purchases. I also found it much easier to add the Rakuten extension. It will make it easier to find those deals even when you're outside of their website. So if you're searching on Amazon or something like that, it will pop up and show you that there's a better deal with Rakuten. So how do you earn the rewards? A few days after the purchase, the cashback or points appear in your Rakuten account. So let me give you guys an example. Let's say Birkenstock is offering 20% cash back. You buy $100 worth of shoes, you'll get $20 cash back or 2,000 Amex points on top of your usual credit card points. It's free money or points for something you were already planning to buy. By default, Rakuten offers cash back, but here's how you switch it to Amex points. First, you want to go to My Account, click on Account Settings. Under how you would like to get paid, you'll need to fill out info for the Big Check and PayPal first. Next, choose American Express membership rewards, link your American Express account, and to break down the exchange rate for every $10 in cash back equals 1,000 American points, so $20 cash back equals 2,000 American points, 30 cash back equals 3,000 American points, and so on. Even though Rakuten still shows you cashback percentages, once you've switched, you'll earn Amex points instead. So let's talk about some pro tips to maximize your earnings. First, like I said, you guys are going to want to use that referral bonus. If you refer someone and they spend $30, both of you get that $30 or 3,000 Amex points. Sometimes the bonus jumps up to $40 or 4,000 points. Again, my Rakuten referral link is below if you want that sign-up bonus. You can also stack credit card rewards by finding deals inside of your Amex portal. Sometimes you can snag some great deals and earn crazy points. One example was on Valentine's Day. I used a $15 cash back for 1-800-Flowers in the Amex portal, and then another 25% cash back through Rakuten, which comes out to around 2,500 Amex points, which I value around 2 cents per point because I always use transfer partners to maximize my points. So theoretically, I get $50 in Amex points and 15 cash back for Amex, so 65 off on a $100 purchase. And if I'm being honest, the last few partner transfers I made came out to above 3 cents per point, but I'll keep it at 2 just to play it safe. Another way to maximize those points is use Rakuten Dining. You'll want to link your credit card to Rakuten Dining, dine at a participating restaurant, earn cash back or Amex points automatically. So for example, you use your Amex Gold Card, you get 4x points on dining at Rakuten Dining restaurants, and you get an extra 5x points, so a total of 9x points per dollar, which is pretty insane just to go out and eat. So now that we covered the basics about Rakuten, it's one of the easiest ways to earn extra Amex points without changing your spending habits. Whether you're shopping online, referring friends, or dining out, this strategy can help you stack points points effortlessly. I was able to find products that I shop for in-store typically and switch to shopping online and earning more points. I love Rakuten because it really gives everyday people like myself an easier path to earning enough reward points to make a truly amazing vacation that we all should get at least once in our lifetime. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.